Okay, so today we are going to do vocabulary related to the topic luck versus hard work. So tomorrow we are going to have GD on this. GD means group discussion. So let's have vocabulary. It has both. Okay, some vocab in favor of luck and some vocab in favor of hard work. So let's start with the first one. Everything is predestined. Okay, pronounce. You also pronounce. Everything is predestined. It means पहले से ही तय है सब कुछ. Like भगवान ने सब कुछ तय किया हुआ है क्या होना है. So those who believe in luck, they believe in this phrase. Now second one is once allotted cannot be blotted. What does it mean? एक बार जो किस्मत में लिख गया उसे कोई नहीं टाल सकता या कोई नहीं मिटा सकता. Same like this, everything is both are more or less same. So you can use any according to your choice. Meaning is clear? Second one. Let's move to the third one. Hard work is paid only when luck favors you. So some people believe that, I'm very diligent, I'm very hardworking. But their hard work is paid only when luck favors you. मतलब कि अगर luck साथ में है तभी hard work का आपको result मिलेगा. Sometimes some students they give example. Like one student has done lot of hard work for 10th class. He's going for his board exam. But suddenly he meets with an accident. So his whole hard work of 1 year is gone in waste. Okay. So that's why people say hard work is paid only when luck favors you. Jammy. Jammy is better word for lucky. Normally what do you say? I'm lucky, or he's lucky. Instead of that, now you can use better word that is jammy. You can say I'm jammy. Okay. Now next is mascot. Pronounce all of you. Mascot means lucky charm. Anything which is lucky for you. Like some people believe that if I write my exam with this pen, so it will go, very well. Or if I wear this dress, so everything would be goody. So सब कुछ अच्छा ही होगा अगर मैं ये ड्रेस पहनूंगी या मैं अगर ये पेन यूज करूंगा तो अच्छा एग्जाम जाएगा. So that is called as mascot. So you can say this pen is mascot for me, this dress is mascot for me, like this. It means lucky charm. Clear? Now again we have one phrase here. Stars are not in favor. So people sometimes, जब अच्छा नहीं होता है, everything is going wrong at times. एक चीज गलत होती है फिर दूसरी गलत हो जाती है, कुछ अच्छा नहीं चलता है, then you can use this phrase. यार I think stars are not in favor. Means हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं, सितारे गर्दिश में हैं, मतलब अच्छा समय नहीं चल रहा है. Then people use this phrase. Clear? Now next is born with silver spoon. What does it mean? Any guesses? Yes, very good. जो अच्छी किस्मत लेके पैदा होते हैं. Usually we use for Bollywood star kids and all, but normal people also can be born with silver spoon. ऐसा नहीं है. So it means a person who need not to struggle in their life. जिनको struggle नहीं करना पड़ता ज्यादा. Struggle तो सबको करना पड़ता है, Another name of life is struggle. But जिनको कम struggle करना पड़ता है life में, they can also be said as born with silver spoon. Otherwise, normally we say Shah Rukh Khan's sons, like he is born with the silver spoon, like this. Okay. Next, normally what do you use for mehendi? Hardworking. No? But you can use some advanced words also now. Diligent or painstaking. Pronounce it diligent. Painstaking. It means hardworking. Instead of saying I am hardworking, now you say I am diligent. I am painstaking. Okay, I have taught you in your introduction also these words, है ना? Okay, now comes your query, Avneet. Hard work never goes in vain. कभी भी हार्ड वर्क वेस्ट नहीं जाता. ओके, अब उस एग्जाम्पल में अगर आप देखो बच्चे ने पढ़ाई तो करी थी ना, वो नॉलेज कभी भी वेस्ट नहीं जाती. ओके, so he can use that knowledge in some other way. So vain means useless. So hard work never goes in vain. And the last one is flimsy excuses. Flimsy excuses means I use it daily in the class. When you tell me that, ma'am, we have not done our homework. ये बेकार के बहाने. Excuses is बहाने. Flimsy means बेकार के बहाने. Daily I ask you, na, don't give me flimsy excuses, give me the homework, like this. And people, those who don't do hard work, what do we call them? क्या बोलते हैं उन्हें जो हार्ड वर्क नहीं करते? Tell me, hurry up. Normally we call them as lazy. Idle. Idle is vella, okay. But lazy के लिए any better word do you know? Lazy is the better word. Lazy is the better word. Wow. Since childhood you have been using lazy, na? Now you are grown up, change it now. Okay, you have to change and use some advanced words now. So we can use lethargic or sluggish. Lethargic or sluggish. Clear? All the meanings? So tomorrow we are going to have GD on this topic, hard work versus luck. So if you want to join my GD classes, so you have to enroll yourself for online or offline classes. That's all for today.